What is up, guys? Thank you guys for clicking another one of my videos. Appreciate you guys so much. And basically, today we've got a very, very crucial update on Lil Wayne, Lil Tunechi, well-known rapper, well-known for recently being with Trump. We're gonna get a little more into that later. But make sure you guys watch to the very end of this video so you guys get all the details on what just happened to Lil Wayne. And let's get right into this. So basically, Lil Wayne just got arrested. He was a felon already. He just got felony charges for having handgun ammo. A lot of people don't understand why he got arrested, but again, having handgun ammo on you is prohibited as a felon. It's not good. You cannot have it on you. So, the fact that he got caught with that, they locked his ass up. No worries, Lil Wayne's got Trump in his corner, as I already said. So, Daddy Trump go save Lil Wayne. Maybe he won't help his taxes, but he sure go save him from that felony charge. On God, on God. Anyways, a lot of blacks do not like Lil Wayne because of that Trump shit. It grunted me a little bit, but I still play Wayne here and there. You know what I mean? I'm not a hater. But anyways, see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for checking this out. Lil Wayne just got arrested for felony charges. This is crazy. See you guys in my next video. Peace.